I'm Jeff Wainwright. I'm the founder of Intelligent Sales Machine, and I have a question for you. Why in the last 60 days have hundreds of students started learning with the Intelligent Sales Machine?
I'm about to tell you why. While the world is going through a COVID pandemic, Amazon has continued to grow with more people using the platform to buy products. So we needed to test the business strategies and make sure they work even during troubled economic times when people are losing their jobs and no longer have financial security. The reason so many people are coming to learn the Intelligent Sales Machine is simple. While the other guys are charging you $997 or up to $5,000, we're giving it to you for free. And not only that, our newest business strategies are light years ahead of their old, outdated 2019 trainings.
Our training is better, making you more money, and we're free. Look, don't take my word for it. Look what our students have to say.
And today, when you get lifetime access to Intelligent Sales Machine for free, and you don't even need a credit card. In fact, you'll never need a credit card to learn at Intelligent Sales Machine. And it gets better. You don't just get Intelligent Sales Machine, you get Groove Pages and GrooveSell, the affiliate membership platform to sell Intelligent Sales Machine products. We use Groove Pages and GrooveSell, which is better and more powerful than any other sales and affiliate platform on the market today. You have to see it to believe it. So you may be asking, what makes Intelligent Sales Machine different? Intelligent Sales Machine is an expert e-commerce company that wants to help you with your marketing. Those other companies are marketing companies that want to help you set up an Amazon account so they can sell you very expensive training products. You see, a marketing company, after you become a customer, they are up every day, show up on your Facebook, trying to find out how they can sell you more training products. You may have seen that. Not at Intelligent Sales Machine. We focus on making our education free. You see, when we wake up every day, we talk to our students and other Amazon experts, and we focus not on getting more money out of our existing customers, but on how we can improve our training platform and business strategies. And check this out. Each week we are paying out affiliate commissions to our students. And the best part is, when you join today for free, you become an instant affiliate and we pay weekly commissions. So what are you waiting for? Look, I could show you a demo of Intelligent Sales Machine, but why don't you check it out for yourself? It's free. And remember, no credit card is ever needed.
So just fill out the form on this page and get free lifetime access to the Intelligent Sales Machine. And you'll also get free access to Groove Pages and GrooveSell, the affiliate platform. I'll see you on the inside.